Continuing from yesterday's tutorial, I'll show you how to use an empty object to animate a displacement via imported image pattern. I'm using an imported zigzag pattern image for this tutorial, but any black and white images can be used to create this illusion. Other than the default camera, there are 3 objects in the scene. This is the primary mesh that has subsurf and displacement modifiers added. It's got a dark material. This is a decorative sphere mesh with an emission shader. Lastly, we have an empty object that is being used to animate the displacement. I'll show you how the modifier settings look like. Here is the texture that is being used by the Displace modifier. Again, any imported black and white images can be used. The patterns won't work well with the modifier if they're not black and white. I'll show you where the empty object was referenced. If I move the empty object, this illusion occurs. This animation is 100 frames long. The same scale value for the first and the last frames. Only the 50th frame has a different value. Here are the modifier settings. Please remember to select the empty object, and hover the cursor over its scale values to set a new keyframe by typing I, as in India. The same values for the first and the last frames, so that the animation would loop forever. The 50th frame has a decreased scale value. By the way, I found the changed values would show only when I hover the mouse over the animated regions. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.